Morning everyone. Another day here in Thailand. Check out my outfit. I'm still in Chiang Mai and it looks like I'm on an awesome day. I've basically paid for another excursion where we feed elephants and do a walk up the mountain and we get to like swim with the elephants and bathe them. So it sounds awesome. What's going to do? I came unprepared. Apparently we're meant to bring a change of clothes because we're going to get really filthy and then we have to change to something else. I just bought one pair of clothes, so I'm just going to be covered in shit all day after. But yeah, should be an awesome day. I've got some sugar cane to feed the elephants. So yeah, let's get going. I love a sugar cane. Feeding them some sugar cane. So all the elephants in this place are rescue elephants from the from elephant riding. They're all like, yeah, this is apparently a safe sanctuary.
Nee, en niet omdat hij niet wil dat je dat had.
It's giving them a little mud bath, cool them down. After a clean shower, they've just gone straight back over to throw mud on themselves again. They're actually really funny. They're so funny. They just eat constantly as well. And they only sleep 4 hours a night, so the rest of their time they're just pretty much eating. So yeah, imagine how much food they must go through. So we've come to a point, which is the highest point in Thailand. We're just walking up to the summit now. Yeah, it's a really short walk though. It's only like 150 meters from the car park to the actual spot. But then afterwards we're going to go on an actual nature trail to see what else is happening. So this is like a memorial place of King Rama V, who got rid of slavery in Thailand and now named the king of Chiang Mai. This is it, the summit of, well, this is the highest point in Thailand. This is the two pagodas, one built for the king, which is this one, the dark one, and this one for the queen. The lady was saying they were built about 35, the king was built 35 years ago and the queen was built 30 years ago. And the King Rama V. And now the new king is King Rama X. So yeah, I was paying attention, listening to the talks. It's an incredible building, an incredible place. My God, it was so high up. It's actually mad. I don't know how much of that you can see on camera, but incredible view. This is the Queen's Pagoda. Purple collar. Definitely a lot more feminine. cool. Nice little fridge. So hey, that's the job. Oh, I think it's coffee time. I'm dying for a shit as well. There's no toilet. Open the toilet up. I don't understand. So many toilets here don't have toilet paper. What's going on? Shit myself. Trying to find a waterfall. We're in a part of the jungle at the moment. It's owned by a tribe called Karen tribe. It's really interesting. They grow coffee here because it's like certain height, you know, of sea level. So coffee grows really well. It's a beautiful part of the jungle. Like Indiana Jones. Oh yeah, check out this bridge, man. It's awesome. That's a pretty cool bridge. Awesome. Yeah. Proper hike. This is a 2-hour hike as well, so like it's going to be pretty intense. I didn't really walk with you or nothing, but you know, it seems not too bad so far. It's not like a strenuous walk, but it's just long. It's going good. I still think that people, you know, live in tribes, still live in these places, so remote, so wild, mad, especially come from the city, right? Yeah, look at this. It's amazing how they've created these kind of irrigation systems. I don't know where this water's going, but probably to plant, like they mentioned there, like rice fields there, and you know, obviously the coffee, they're probably just planting, using these irrigation systems to feed all their crops. Pretty amazing system though. Like us walking around, they've been going on for ages. So I don't know how long it took them to build all this out. It can smell like coffee, the coffee roasting. Yeah, it smells amazing. It's like proper fresh coffee. Wow. I think it's gonna blow my head off though. I'm a bit of a softie when it comes to coffee. Poor pig, man. Pigs get it off here. Won't get it everywhere, to be honest.
Yeah, here is somebody called like the coffee village. Yeah, and here like the small coffee knowledge center. If you want to know how to making the coffee.
So I realised I didn't manage to finish this vlog yesterday. By the time I got home, I was knackered. It was like a 2-hour drive back down the mountain, so it was pretty killer. And by the time I got back as well, I was just tired and had a few other things going on that just kind of threw me a bit off. But it was an amazing day, amazing hike. Amazing, you know, going to see the Karen people and trying their coffee. In the end, basically, they gave us some of their free coffee that was growing there on the land. It was really amazing, and some tea as well. Really great stuff. Yeah, and then we just drove back down the mountain like 2 hours and chilled out for the rest of the night. So it was really cool. But yeah, so thanks for watching this vlog, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.